Welcome to the California Almond Sustainability Program online system, also known as CASP. CASP allows you to complete a self-assessment and provides tools that will help you in your orchard's continuous improvement journey. This platform helps you find ways to improve efficiencies, such as improving or adopting cost-effective, environmentally and socially responsible practices. CASP uses grower-submitted production information to help tell your story and the industry's story to stakeholders, buyers, regulators, and consumers. CASP is made up of multiple parts, including an assessment of practices, tools, data sharing, reports, and benchmarks to bee-friendly farming eligibility, and the Sustainable Ag Initiative's Farm Sustainability Assessment. The CASP assessment modules covering different activities are designed to document your production practices while providing an opportunity to verify that your techniques are up to date, practical, efficient, and sustainable. The tools provide you with the opportunity to calculate irrigation schedules, nitrogen needs, and more. In reports, the comparison report is the single most important report. It shows how your best practices line up with the industry to help you decide where to focus. CASP is also aligned with the Sustainable Ag Initiative Platform's Farm Sustainability Assessment. The Sustainable Agriculture Initiative is a group of over 100 companies who came together to create a sustainability assessment that meets their needs. This shows the rigor of the CASP program and proves how well California almond growers are already doing when it comes to good production practices. Bee-friendly farming is a key pillar of CASP and was created by the Pollination Partnership. Pollination Partnership is a third-party assessment that the Almond Board supports with crop-specific data. Being certified is a great way to get recognition for what you do at the consumer level. The data is stored outside of the Almond Board with a secure third party. Almond Board only has access to aggregate data. Growers can voluntarily choose to share their data with their handler to help in the effort of telling their story to the market. All of these features combined help you show how well you are already doing, as well as give you data to support your desire for continuous improvement. Next, we will walk through how to navigate the site. For later reference, the Quick Start Guide is available for download. You can keep it on your desk and reference it while using the site. Let's walk through the dashboard and learn how to get started.